Is it me, or is it data that is becoming more important than oxygen? Well, maybe not more than oxygen, but more than food these days. Because I don't know of you, but as for me, I can afford to skip a meal, but cannot let my data to run out. But the problem is that these days data is becoming more expensive, just like every other thing. If you are looking for a way on how to get cheap data, then this video is the best video you ever come across on the internet today. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 codes that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from Glo. If you are using other network, I've also done similar video on how to get it at a very cheap rate from other network. I'm going to attach this other video to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. So let's dive right into the video. The first code that can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*1*. *2*7#. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 4 options that is available for you that can use to get free data from Glo, and it's divided into 2 sections. So we have the midnight bundle and the weekend bundle. So if you want to get cheap data that can use for your weekend, you can use this code. If you want to also get data that cheap data that you can use for your night browsing, can also use this one. So the first section is the midnight bundle. The first option that is available is with 16 I can get 350 MB. You can use it from one day from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. The second option with 120 you can get 750 MB. It will last you also for one day. Then the second section is for the weekend plan for Saturday and Sunday. So the third option with 200 I can get 875 MB. You can use it for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Then the last option with 500 I can get 2.5 gigabytes of data. It will last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So you can use any of these options to get data that you can use for your night browsing and also for weekend browsing. Now the one that I mostly go for mostly for my weekend browsing is the last option, which is 500 now for 2.5 gigabytes of data. So which means 1 gigabyte of data is just 200 now if you are going for these options. The second code that can use to get free data from Glo is *777*1*2*5*1#. So let's delete and see what can get with this code. With this code, you have 5 options that is available for you that can use to get free data from Glo. The first option with 350 you can get 1 gigabyte of data to last for one day. The second option with 500 I can get 2 gigabytes of data to last for one day, including 1 gigabyte of data for night browsing. That means with 500 I can get 3 gigabytes of data that I can use for your browsing. The third option with 600 I can get 3.55 gigabytes of data to last for 2 days, including 2 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 5.5 gigabytes of data for 600 naira. The fourth option with 1000 I can get 5.1 gigabytes of data to last for 2 days, including 2 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you 7.1 gigabytes of data for 1000 naira. The fifth option with 1500 I can get 6 gigabytes of data for 7 days, including 2 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That means that will give you a total of 8 gigabytes of data for 1500. So you can use any of these options to get cheap data from Glo. The third code that you can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*2*5*1#. *777*1*1*2*5*1#. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 4 options that you can use to get free data from Glo. The first option with 350 you can get 1 gigabyte of data. The second option with 500 I can get 2 gigabytes of data for one day, including 1 gigabyte of data for night browsing. The third option with 600 I can get 3.5 gigabytes of data, including 2 gigabytes of data for night browsing. Then the last option with 1000 I can get 5.1 gigabytes of data including 2 GB of data for night browsing. That means with 1000 I can get 7.1 GB of data you can use for your browsing. The number 4 code that can use to get sheets from Glow is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 2 hash star 777 star 1 star 2 star 2 hash. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. If you use this code, you get 4 options that is available for you to get sheet data from Glow. The first option, with 1000 can get 2.6 GB of data for 30 days, including 1.5 GB of data for night browsing. That means with 1000 can get 4.1 GB of data. The second option, with 1500 can get 5 GB of data. It will last for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. That means with 1500 can get 8 GB of data that I can use, and it will last for 30 days. The third option, with 2000 can get 6.15 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. Then the last option, with 2500 can get 7.2 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. That means with 2500 can get a total of 10.25 GB of data for just 2500. The number 5th code that you can use to get sheet data from Glow is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 6 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. So this code is mostly for social bundles. So if you want to do a social bundle, you can use this code to do your subscription for your Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok, and all of that. The number 6 code I can use to get data from Glow is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 5 star 4 hash star 777 star 1 star 2 star 5 star 4 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. With this code, you have 3 options that you can use to get sheet data. The first option, with 1000 can get 4 GB of data. It will be valid for 30 days. The second option, with 5000 can get 30 GB of data. It will be valid for 30 days also. And if you divide this, which means 1 GB of data is less than 200 naira. The third option, with 10,000 can get 75 GB of data. It will be valid for 30 days also. If you divide this, it's also less than 200 naira for 1 GB of data from Glow. The number 7 code I can use to get sheet data from Glow is star 312 hash. That's star 312 hash. Then you dial 7. That is app offer new. For you to make use of this, you have to download the Glowcraft app on your phone. And once you download it on your phone and you dial this code, once you get to this interface, then you dial number 100 GB bonus. So once you dial that, they're going to give you 100 GB of data that you can use for your browsing. So let's dial it. So for the 100 GB of data that Glow is going to give you, they're going to give you instantly 75 GB of data that you can use for your browsing for free of charge. Next 5 months, they're going to be giving you 5 GB of data for every month. So this is how to get free data from Glow. The number 8 code that I can use to get sheet data from Glow is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 5 star 3 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. This code is mostly for hourly bundle. So if you want to just do a sharp thing, maybe within an hour or 2 hours, you can use this code to get data at a very cheap price from Glow that you can use within that 1 hour or 2 hours. We have 2 options that is available for you that you can make use of. The first option, with 200 you can get 500 MB to last you for 1 hour. The second option, with 30,000 you can get 1 GB of data to last you for 2 hours. So you can use any of these options to do your hourly bundle.
If you are a heavy data user, or if you use data on a daily basis, or if you use data to run your business, in the next session I'm going to show you those codes that you can use to get sheet data that you can use for your daily activity or to run your business.
The number 9 code that I can use to get sheet data from Glow is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 3 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 3 options that I can use to get cheap data from Glo. The first option, with 10,000 can get 8 GB of data, including 2 GB of data from 9 browsers, and this data will last you for 30 days. The second option, with 15,000 can get 64 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 1 GB of data for 9 browsers. Then the last option, with 20,000 can get 107 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 2 GB of data for 9 browsing. The number 10 code I can use to get free data from Glo is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 4 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get. With this code, you have 7 options that I can use to get free data from Glo.
So these are the code I can use to get it at a very cheap price from Glo. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other networks, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video.